Welcome to Junebug Designs channel. In this channel, I'm going to be showing you how to print and make items that I saw in my Etsy store. For today's tutorial, we're going to be making water bottle labels. You can find this design in my Etsy store. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link down below. This is super cute. It has sprinkles and the desserts, and of course it's pink, so I love it. So for this tutorial, you're going to need water bottles, printable vinyl sticker, and you're going to need scissors. So I wanted to make sure that when I make these videos, I kept it easy and simple for you guys. I didn't want to complicate it with cutting machines, paper trimmers, or any unnecessary tools that you might not have at home. So let's go ahead and get these done. Alright, let's head over to my Etsy store. We're going to go ahead and look for the design that we're going to be using for today's tutorial. You're going to go to my site, you're going to put water bottle labels, and all the water bottles that are available are going to pop up. We're going to pick our sweets and treats design. You're going to go ahead and personalize it. I always get the question on how to download. You're going to get an email, and that email will take you directly to your profile. So if you don't get that email, you're going to go ahead and go to your Etsy profile, go to purchases, and you're going to go to your order and you're going to download your files. How to print is another question that I always get. Every printer is going to be different. You want to make sure that you select the correct presets. In this case, I selected photo on photo paper so that we get the best quality. And you want to make sure that you select the correct paper size and the correct orientation. We have all of our materials ready. We have our sticker paper, we have our scissors, and our water bottle labels. So we're ready to start cutting these labels. I always like to start on one side, so I do all of them on one side, and then once I'm done, I do the other side. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up so we could get to the next part. You want to make sure that when you're cutting these, you don't cut that top part, because that's what we're going to use to stick together once we apply the label. Now that you have your labels cut, it's time to put them on. So it's important that you always check your bottle and look for the defects, and you want to pick the best side where it looks pretty and is standing straight. And then we're going to go peel off the sticky part and apply them. I always start with the center, and then I gradually work each side till they meet in the back. And there you go. We are all done. You want to make sure that the top is well lined and that the back is aligned as well. And you're ready to display your beautiful water bottles for your birthday, on a dessert table, or as favors. So that's how we print and attach the water bottle labels. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.